how to create sticker from pictures in Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Let's learn to create fun and exciting stickers using our own pictures from our gallery in Samsung. First, open your gallery app and select the picture where you want to add the sticker. Now from the bottom, tap on Edit button. When you've tapped on it, here you can see the option of adding stickers from. Tap on it and then tap on Stickers again. There at the bottom, you can see beside Recent Gallery option. Tap on it and then tap on Plus. Then select the picture from which you want to create a sticker. Tap on it and select the area that you want to create a sticker of. And then hit Next. Now you can add colors or draw anything on the page and then hit Done. And that's it. Now that the sticker will be added to your picture. You can just adjust its places and hit Save, and the stickers will be added to your picture. And that's it. That is how you create stickers on Samsung. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.